Imagine a world where integrity rules and corruption is just a fading memory. Ready for that change? Every great change starts with a thought, a spark of courage. Let's ignite that spark together. Look around. Each one of us holds the power to make a difference. Are you in? Let's create awareness and spread the message. Knowledge is the first step to action. Your voice matters. Speak up, share your thoughts, and let's make corruption a thing of the past. Imagine a society where every action counts, where everyone is accountable. What a vision! Together, we can inspire generations to come. Are you ready to embrace change? Let's transform our dreams into action. Let's make a corruption-free India our new reality. Join us in standing against corruption. Let's build a brighter, transparent future together. The journey to a corruption-free India starts with you. Are you ready to take the first step?